Hey there, future financial wizards and online entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to source for all things innovative and exciting in the world of making money online. Today, we're delving into the thrilling universe of automated trading bots on the stock market. Get ready to explore how these bots can transform your financial game and potentially make you some serious cash. I'm your host, and I'm beyond thrilled to guide you on this exhilarating journey. Let's dive right in. Imagine having a team of tireless, expert traders working for you 24/7, analyzing market trends, and making lightning-fast decisions to maximize your profits. That's exactly what trading bots are all about. These intelligent algorithms are designed to buy and sell stocks automatically, utilizing complex strategies to capitalize on market fluctuations. It's like having a financial superhero in your corner, making money moves while you sleep. Now, you might wonder, how can I get in on this action? Well, the world of trading bots has become incredibly accessible to individual investors. There are user-friendly platforms and software like MetaTrader and TradingView that allow you to connect your trading bot to various stock exchanges. Plus, you can customize your bot strategies to align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. What's truly exciting about trading bots is their ability to execute trades at speeds humans can only dream of. In the blink of an eye, these bots can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and execute trades, all with precision and accuracy. This speed gives you a significant advantage in the ever-changing world of stock trading. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. It's crucial to approach automated trading with a sound strategy and a clear understanding of the risks involved. Diversification, setting stop-loss limits, and continuous monitoring are key aspects of responsible bot trading. Always remember that while bots can be incredibly efficient, no strategy guarantees profits, and the stock market always carries a level of risk. Now, let's talk success stories. There are numerous examples of individuals who have transformed their lives by harnessing the power of trading bots. They've achieved financial freedom, quit their day jobs, and built impressive investment portfolios, all thanks to the strategic use of these algorithms. While every journey is unique, the common thread among these success stories is a dedication to learning, adapting, and staying informed about market trends. So, my ambitious viewers, are you ready to supercharge your financial future with the help of trading bots? With the right knowledge, a bit of patience, and a willingness to learn, you can potentially unlock a world of financial opportunities. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, automated trading bots can be a game changer. So, let's harness the power of technology, make some savvy financial moves, and pave the way to online success together. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey into the world of automated trading bots. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the realm of online entrepreneurship. Until next time, happy trading and here's to your financial success.